Finder tips to maximize your productivity when using Finder. Let's dive in right into the first tip. The first tip is regarding the list view icon sizes. By default, the icon sizes are very small and it's hard to find files using the list view. So instead of compromising and changing it to any other view such as the icon view, you can edit this and you can change this by clicking on the view options in the menu bar, clicking on the show view options button, and changing the icon size using the radio buttons here. And you can also use the use as defaults button to make this change permanent throughout Finder and other folders. Once you do this, you will notice you will have bigger icon sizes. Let's move on to the next tip. The next tip is regarding showing folder sizes in Finder. By default, Finder will show file sizes, but it will not show folder sizes. To enable that, in the same options window where you were before, enable or check this calculate all sizes button. And again, if you want to make it permanent throughout Finder, you can use this use as defaults button, and you will see this folder here called some random folder. This didn't have any file size before and it had 2 dashes, but now it shows 0 bytes, which is accurate. Let's move on to the third tip. The third tip is regarding templates, especially if you are in a company or you are using templates frequently. Instead of having to duplicate and remove content from the file or duplicate them, you can simply right-click on the file, press the Get Info button, enable the stationary pad option, exit out of this window, and now whenever you double-click on it, it will open it in a new window, but it will also create a new copy. The final and fourth tip is how you can show hidden files in your Mac. To do that, you will simply open up a terminal application on your Mac through Launchpad, and you will copy and paste the command in the description into terminal, both commands, and you will see hidden files with a dot. And so these are the same files I talked about in the storage video, and these folders and files will start to show up. To disable this, you will simply run the command again, but instead of true, you will write false, and you will write the second command as it is, and now all the hidden files will be hidden again. So hopefully this video was helpful, and if you learned something new, please like this video, and please comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you.